Welcome! My name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist. In this video, I would like to show you how to cook silken pumpkin soup. This winter warmer is extremely easy to digest and also provides you with much needed energy as it has a good balance between complex carbohydrates without being too starchy. For those who are dairy intolerant, you can use coconut milk instead to flavor it, or sour cream, which is lactose-free and extremely delicious. For therapeutic effects of probiotics in sour cream, please add the cream after you take the soup off the heat. For this recipe, you would need a blender to make consistency right, and you can store this dish up to 4 days in the fridge. So you would need pumpkin, of course, and accompanying vegetables. I've chosen red capsicum, tomato puree, a bit of a ginger, carrots, a bit of garlic, and you can use smoked paprika for flavoring, and of course butter as well. So let's start with frying the veggies first. So add your butter. Wait till it's melted. And you can start adding your vegetables. I will leave the veggies on a low heat for about 5 minutes before I add the rest of my ingredients. Obviously pumpkin, and make sure you cover it with stock. It can be chicken stock, it can be a bone broth. Now leave it on a low heat for about half an hour till the pumpkin is properly cooked, nice and soft. That's just a bit of ginger going in and smoked paprika. I add a bit of a thyme for flavoring. There you go. This is pretty much set. Mix it through, leave it on a low heat, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes to half an hour. There you go. Welcome back. We've given our pumpkin soup 20 minutes. It looks good to me now. So what we have to do from this step onwards is to blend through the vegetables, and for that you can use blender or you can use one of these, which is quite clever and quick to use. So stay with me. I'll probably would have to blend it for 5 minutes to be able to get the consistency right. And then we can season it with sour cream. Just before you finish, make sure that you add your sour cream. Or you can also use coconut cream for flavoring if you are having issue with dairy. But sour cream should be fine as it's lactose free. Oh, that looks really good. There you go, this is done. Let's serve it. Oh, it smells so good. Now you can serve it with a piece of sourdough bread, toasted, or you can just have it by itself. I will season it with a bit of a pepper and add some thyme on the top. There you go. that is ready to be served. Look at that. I think it looks pretty good and I can't wait to eat it. Thanks so much for your attention. Bye for now.